Halloj! Happy Wednesday and welcome to a new vlog. We are actually done. Yes, and this vlog we're gonna redecorate. We're gonna do some remodeling, removing. Yes, we're gonna do some interior designing, I think. And I also just bought a new mop for myself. Do we like it? I like it. So, my plan is to vacuum and to mop everything. And then slowly but surely place back all the furniture. Yes. And also I'm going thrift shopping Saturday and Sunday. Woohoo! So we're gonna see if I can do this or not. But I kind of wanna begin. Jesus, it's so dark. I think I wanna begin this journey in here because that's the emptiest. And I have like a rug and stuff. Like I have a lot of stuff. Like I have a shit ton of stuff. It looks like a normal state of my apartment, which is sad. Anywho, that's the plan. Let's see. Let's vacuum and let's start from there, I think I would say. Yes. Let's go. Halloj! It's actually what, Thursday today. Wow! And I just got home from work. I had some train issues. It's been such a good weather today and yesterday. We had like 20 degrees and sunny. Yes. Okay, so we have still some places to tackle. We did this room, which is now looking like a mess because I am a messy person, I realized. But what I think what we're gonna do, it's now what? 6:40. I think I want to start off by just cleaning up a little bit in my wardrobe so I can move the majority of my shit back to my wardrobe, as well as I've had a lot of stuff in my bathroom that I need to move back to where it belongs. So yeah, so I'm gonna vacuum and do, like I have some dirt right there that I have to mop. But so far so good. So that, I think we're gonna start there and then move into my bedroom with which isn't that much to do. And then if time will allow it, I'm gonna do the kitchen. Yes. And then tomorrow, if I haven't done the kitchen, I'm gonna do that. And in here. And what we're gonna do, I'm not just putting back the things where it was. I'm gonna do some more interior designing and move stuff, and also put a lot of my stuff back in my storage. So I live in like a, I don't know what to call it, like a apartment that is up for sale, you know, clean, empty, stuff like that. Let's go. Morning, it's a new day today and I'm actually working from home. Yippee! Okay. Yesterday I only managed to do my dark wardrobe and my very dark bedroom. And somehow I can't really get the timer to work under my bed with the LED lights. But I managed to do this, and then I got in a rat hole. of sorting out clothes. So yeah. Okay, but today it's still a bit early in the morning, so I'm not gonna make too much noise, but I can like vacuum. At least that's what I'm going to do. But I'm going to do this first. I have to get rid of stuff. It's very dirty, which you can't see. No, you can. Here you go. And fix stuff in here. So that's what I'm gonna do now before I can make any like bigger noises. And then we go. Because why I say that, it's because it's 9:10 a.m. and we're not allowed to make any over dramatic noises until 10. So I have 50 minutes to just fix this and work. Sounds like a plan. It is a plan. Let's go. Like I'm gonna clean like a lot. Like my toilet, my bathtub, my sink, the mirrors. I kind of need to do that one as well. Yeah, and when I'm at it, I think I'm gonna do this piece. It has like thumbprints on it. Not the cutest. Might do my door as well. Yeah. Okay, it's a lot of cleaning to do. Let's go. So, I'm done with the bathroom. Now I'm gonna have a coffee break and do the kitchen, I think. Yes. Because I think that's a good idea. We're gonna have to move the table, mop, vacuum, put back the little shelfie thing that I had there. And I think that's it. Make sure that all of this isn't as chaotic as it was or are now. But I'm gonna do some coffee first. Priorities, so to say. Yes. Okie dokes, dokey do. Let's go. Okay, so I took a little shower and I have vacuumed this space. I placed that one there. I don't think I like it. Like, look at this. Do we even like that? I don't think I do. So yeah, so I'm gonna move a little bit of things, but I have to go to my parents' house today because tomorrow we're going thrift shopping. Or actually we're going to a flea market. But yeah. So let me see if I kind of want to have my couch in that corner. And all of my like working and stuff in that corner. Hopefully it works. We'll see. Okay, so Halloj, it's Sunday. I got home from some thrifting. But this is where we left off. I think we're gonna remodel some more, and I have even plans to get rid of this couch. Maybe, we'll see. Yes, okay, so remodeling, interior designing, question mark. Let's do it. I'm still not really sure what I'm gonna do with this because I don't like that. So, wish me luck, so to say. Okay, but first, before we go, I went thrifting. Whee! And I got some stuff that I want to show you. Yes, okay, to begin with, I got these two. It's IKEA lamps. that I got. I got 2 of them at the flea market today. Like it. I also got a new laptop, like computer case bag. Yes, I got that. I'm very excited about it. I got one of these, like a fanny pack. Yes, I'm very old to that trend. But hey, what can I do? Like, hello, sorry. I like it. Also because we're going to a festival and I feel like that could be a good bag to have. Yes. And then I got myself a new soap tray. Woohoo. And also this is a soap where it's like a dishwasher for, yeah, a dish soap for dishes. So it's gonna look like that. I got that, which is very exciting. And then, let's see, what more did I get? Yes, I got a dress, actually. But before that, I got this. No, it's not a real gun. It's actually a vase. So it's gonna be standing like this. Like, I'm so excited. Wow, this is like the thing that I bought that I'm most excited about. I got this very cute little bag, also for a festival, I think. And if I open it, which way do I do that again? Here we go. It also has a little string to it. What's it? So I got that. I feel like that's very nice. And then I got a new little, or it's a very nice, like, slinky long dress. Woo! Okay, so that's what I thrifted. Now I have to put these things away and, like, remodel a little bit. I don't know what you call it. I'm gonna just redecorate. Because that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna move stuff. So that's what I got from my little thrifting haul. Very excited. Okay, now we can start. I think I'm gonna do it all with this, like, big couch. I'm gonna get, my mom and dad has a size smaller of this, and I feel like I kind of want it. Also, I am in the mindset, or I'm thinking about actually selling the table. Yes. So that's my plan. Okay. Back to redecorating. Okay, I think that is it for this part. Next week will definitely be the final reveal, so to say. But this is how we're gonna leave it off so far. The table is too big, the couch is too big. Especially now for the space where I want it to be as airy as possible. So yeah, and I think I'm gonna move this back to its original space right there. So yeah, this is the end of this part at least. Next week we will do the final, all the finishing touches, some like before and after pictures, stuff like that. Yeah, so that's, remember it. Wow. Okay. I hope you liked it. It's a bit all over the place, but I feel like that's my life lately. And yeah, let's do it. Bye!